Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we're taking a look at internet computer. Before we get this video started properly, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. Internet computer has been doing really well within the last 7 days. The last 7 days alone, it's actually gone from less than $25 to over $37 per token. It currently sits at $35 per token, $35.60 per token. Within the last 24 hours, it's been up 24%, 24.7% to be more exact. The real question is, can this token get to $50, $100 before the end of this year? These are obviously big claims, and this crypto is not exactly short on supply. There's 191 million in circulating supply, 475 million in total supply. So today we're going to go for a price analysis and price prediction for the first quarter of this year. That is January, February, and March. First quarter, what can we expect from internet computer? Will it hit $50, $100 before the end of the year? We don't know, but we're curious. Before we can get into that, I want to go through internet computer with you. I want to explain to you what internet computer is. And most importantly, I want to introduce you to the internet computer ecosystem. It's a really big ecosystem, and it has everything from wallets to infrastructure, DeFi projects, games, metaverses, the list goes on. So internet computer is obviously building out its own ecosystem, and that's a huge deal. That is not an underestimation. So what is internet computer? It's a blockchain that enables developers, organizations, and entrepreneurs to build and deploy secure, autonomous, and tamper-proof canister and evolution of smart contracts. As a dApp developer, you might find it useful to think of internet computer as providing the following features: a globally accessible public blockchain for running smart contracts at web speed that can serve interactive web content to users. Additionally, a secure cryptographic protocol, internet computer protocol, run by nodes machine, operated by independent node providers in independent data centers all around the world. This guarantees the secure execution of smart contracts. Additionally, there is a network of blockchain connected using chain key cryptography that can scale out its capacity as required. So this is what we're going to try to understand today. This dApp building platform, it is a dApp building platform, and dApp building platforms have been gaining a lot of volume. And dApp building platforms have been gaining plenty of value within the last couple of years. Platforms such as Solana, Avalanche, Terra, Ethereum, Cosmos, Tezos, they've been growing, not just within price and market cap, but they've been growing their ecosystem of decentralized applications. These include NFTs, games, metaverses, financial tools such as DeFi products. The list goes on, and this allows their blockchain to be a lot stronger. This allows their development community to be a lot more stronger. But this also has a positive input on the price, and you're seeing that right here. People are finally starting to acknowledge that it's not just Solana, Ethereum, and Cardano, and Cosmos, Avalanche. It's not just those platforms that can develop dApps. There's other platforms that are involved in this universe as well, in this metaverse, if you might say. Those platforms include internet computer. They're more than just another cryptocurrency. They're another cryptocurrency that allows developers to develop dApps within their ecosystem, which is really good for the future of cryptocurrency long term. So let's take a look at something additionally. Upgrading the internet computer protocol. What is this? Let's try to understand it. Internet computer protocol combines the compute capacity of special nodes machines running in data centers around the world to create a seamless and scalable environment for smart contract software and data, because the platform can serve interactive web content to users. It can be used to build websites, enterprise systems, mass market internet services, pan-industry platform, DeFi, and much more using smart contracts. Upgrades might seem like a simple problem. However, upgrades in traditional blockchains have shown that it can take from months up to years to realize protocol upgrades. First, there has to be an agreement by the community that a new version of the protocol should be developed or adapted. Next, the point of time at which the upgrade should be applied has been agreed upon. Finally, all client software needs to be upgraded to support the new protocol version. Because this is such a difficult undertaking, protocol upgrades have traditionally often realized as a fork of the chain. The Internet Computer Blockchain aims to mitigate this by providing an integrated governance system in the network nervous system, which can be used by the community to vote on whether a protocol upgrades should be executed or not. Once the governance system triggers an upgrade, the Internet Computer Protocol has built-in support for scheduled upgrades, meaning that each subnetwork's consensus layer autonomously decides when an upgrade should be executed based on agreements between subnetwork participants. The Internet Computer nodes have built-in support for and applying upgrades without human intervention. If instructed to do so by the governance system, an upgrade package contains the entire software stack needed to run a node. After verifying the package and content corresponded to the version, the community votes. Nodes then reboots into the new version of the protocol. This is important because Internet computers upgrading their protocol to be a lot more responsive and a lot more scalable. But fixing a problem to avoid hard forks, to avoid Internet Computer ever forking. Instead of that, they want to mitigate this issue and they have a solution. Hopefully when they implement this solution, this solution can actually amount to something quite useful. Aside from that, let's get back to our price analysis. So where can we expect Internet Computer to go in the near future, within the next 3 months? Can we realistically see this coin hitting higher remarks, such as $50? At this moment, it's actually $14.40 away from hitting $50, so it's not impossible by any accounts. The question that I have is that as the 30th ranked cryptocurrency in the world, how big can this platform become? Statistically, over the next 3 months, if more developers continue to publish their dApps on this platform, on Internet Computer Platform, on their blockchain, then yes, it will gain a lot more value within the market amongst its competitors such as Avalanche, Terra, Solana, Ethereum. The list goes on, as there's many dApp building platforms, and they all do it in such different ways. They're all focusing on different things, but at their core, they're doing something quite similar, which is allowing developers to build dApps on their platform. And who knew that this would be such a useful thing in the future? And it is. But the surprising thing about Internet Computer, Solana, Terra, Avalanche, they're just scratching the surface of what they're capable of doing. There will be a day when these blockchains have banks that are being built on their blockchain, DeFi products that are banks, decentralized banks. It's kind of similar to how we have decentralized exchanges, a DEX. That's kind of like a bank because it's an exchange that holds a lot of money. It's kind of like a decentralized bank. Now, don't get me wrong, there's plenty of decentralized products out there, including some that you might think are quite similar to a bank. However, there are certain characteristics that sets banks apart, but it's inevitable. So the question is, even looking at the market cap of Internet Computer, 6.8 billion in market cap. That's US dollars, by the way. So in order for Internet Computer to hit even $50, we're actually also looking for the market cap to hit roughly around $9 billion. That's really extraordinary. And at that price point, it might actually be around $60 at that market cap, to be honest, if my maths are correct, which I'm actually not doing maths. I'm just doing quick calculations. But my point is huge potential for Internet Computer if developers continue to build apps on their platform. It will make their platform a lot more useful. Now, I really look forward to this because if this does happen, then I'm also going to be making additional video with my evidence to support the fact that Internet Computer could possibly even achieve $100 before the end of this year. Don't get me wrong, first we got to hit $50 and then we can discuss $100. That's a long way off. $100 is a long way off. To put it in perspective, To put it in perspective, the market cap would have to be around possibly 21, 22 billion, maybe even more. At that market cap, then we might have $100 per coin for internet computer crypto. So it's quite interesting. So the question is, yeah, can it hit $100? Well, it's got a long way to go, but let's first target $50. That's where it gets really interesting. And I think it can definitely do this, not because it's just rising recently in the last few days of value, but because for the last few months, it's actually been tanking. It's actually been losing so much money, so much volume, so much value. When this crypto first hit the market, it was instantly above 460 US dollars. Since then, it's just lost a lot of momentum, a lot of awareness. People seem as if they don't even care about it anymore. But the thing is that if internet computer can actually reinvent this idea of itself and continue to incentivize people to build on their platform, then yes, they stand a chance to reclaim the respect that they once had, even in the early days of ICO. Do not discount their current trajectory. They've been going down within volume for the last 3 months, but do not discount that, because that's actually quite natural in the market. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and leave a like. Leave it in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.